A text signature will now be included in the first text message sent to clients in your database from your WiseText number, as well as opt-out information. The information will also be included on a text every 18 months afterwards. These changes are required for compliance with SMS Texting Spam laws. If you already have a texting number with WiseAgent, you will need to log into your account and set up your text signature. To do this, you will click on the Integrations dropdown and then navigate to the WiseText header. Next, you'll select the ellipses to the right of the number that you want to edit the signature for and click on Edit. This will open a window where you can edit the personal mobile number tied to this texting number, assign a team member to this phone number, and finally edit the text of your text signature. Our system will automatically populate a suggested signature for you based on the information provided in your profile. However, this information will not go out to your contacts until you have saved it. Once you have edited your text signature, click on Save and your text signature will be saved. If you have any questions about the text signatures or opt-out information for texting, please contact our support team through the Help dropdown in your account for the fastest service.